In this video, I will show you how you can check the warranty of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your Samsung phone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. Now in this website, just tap on this chat bubble. After you do that, then just scroll down and select promotion and discount. Now just fill out this form. In the first name section, just enter your first name. In the last name section, just enter your last name. Now just enter your email address. In the phone number section, just enter your phone number. After that, just select I have read and agree to the privacy policy and tap on submit. Now over here, just select speak with expert. Now as you can see, they're asking us to wait for a moment for them to connect us with a person from Samsung. As you can see, they have replied. Now just type this. I want to check the warranty of my Samsung phone. After that, just tap on send. Then just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just tap on about phone. And from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number until you copy your IMEI number. After that, just go back to the web browser and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just tap on send and type this is my IMEI number. And as you can see, they have replied. As you can see, they have given us the warranty start date and the warranty end date of our Samsung phone. And as you can see, the warranty start date of our Samsung device is the 2nd of June 2026 and the warranty will end on the 2nd of June 2027. And this is how you can check the warranty of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.